Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2012, on a 62 plate Ford Fiesta Zetec. This is the 1.4 petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Moondust silver metallic, and it's covered just 22,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very low mileage 5-door petrol Fiesta. Still as popular as ever, these Fiestas. Cracking little cars. They just tick so many boxes. One of our favourites for sure. October 2012 registered. 22,000 miles. 2 owners from new. The current owner has had the car since 2014, so for the last 10 years. And despite the very low mileage, it's been exceptionally well serviced every year. Pretty well. 11 service stamps in the book, all from the Ford main dealer, right the way through its life, including a Cambelt replacement which was documented in 2021. So bang up to speed on its service history. We've got, I mean, it's like War and Peace really, the service history that we've got for the car in the file, really extensive. So properly well looked after, condition's tremendous. We've got these really nice 15-inch silver alloy wheels, and finished in the Moondust silver, just looks a really classy car. This is the 1.4 petrol engine with 96 brake horsepower, 5-speed manual gearbox, up towards 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. Extremely reliable engine, has been around for a long time. And as we have a look inside, very nice and tidy as you'd expect with the mileage. All the seats in really good shape, as the door cards. Now this is the Zetec model, but it does have a few added options as well, so it's actually a really nice level of trim. Remote central locking, it comes supplied with 2 remote keys, electric front windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its carpet mats which run throughout. There's your 2 keys. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. There's your mileage, 22543. You've got your radio controls, and then around the side we've got a trip computer. We've also got a voice recognition button. Down below we've got 3 cup holders, manual handbrake, 12-volt socket, USB, auxiliary inputs, 5-speed manual gearbox, again the gear sticks all good. And there you've got your locking wheel nut key or your handbooks. And then down below the Ford setup, which you'll all know I'm sure. Air conditioning. It's got Ford's heated front screen, which as we get towards the autumn and the winter will come in handy when we start getting frosts. It clears the screen in a matter of moments. And then up above you've got your radio, CD. It all comes up on the little screen at the top there. You've also got Bluetooth for your telephone as well. So very straightforward. Nice place to be, comfy seats. Obviously on this one you've got your 5-door practicality. Again in the back we've got carpet mats, 2 headrests but with 3 proper seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seat, so comfortable 5-seater. Again in really nice condition. Then as we head round to the back of the car, we've got parking sensors which run across the rear bumper. And then into the boot space, parcel shelf at the top. Split folding rear seats, and then a really usable boot space, good size, again in good condition. And then underneath we've got your inflation kit with compressor. So there we have it. No doubt one of the lowest mileage available. October 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec 1.4 petrol, 5-speed manual gearbox, 5 doors, 22,000 miles, 2 owners. Current owners had the car since 2014, an 11 stamp Ford main dealer service history, including a Cambelt replacement in 2021. So it's about as good as it gets really. The car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Not the cheapest Fiesta in the world by any stretch of the imagination, but it's a very nice one, proper service history, nice ownership. I'm sure it'll be popular. It's been a long week. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.